I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the Multi-Award Winning Speed Screed. I'm here to talk about Agilia Screed. If you are looking for a free-flowing and versatile screed, then you will probably want to consider Agilia. We have put together this quick guide to all the basic facts and essential information you need. Agilia can be applied directly or pumped into place. In practice, this means that it works well for both renovation projects where an existing floor may be damaged, but are also equally useful for new builds. As a free-flowing and self-compacting screed, Agilia has several key advantages over the more traditional types of screed. With traditional screeds, the quality and stability of the finished floor are dependent on the skill of the screed layer, and it requires a lot more time to finish. Laying a traditional screed floor is extremely hard work, and it can be difficult to achieve the level of compaction that free-flowing screeds like Agilia can achieve with relative ease. A combination of these factors means that traditionally laid screeds can need a degree of remedial work. Of course, all this adds to the construction time and increases the cost. Unlike its traditional counterpart, Agilia hardens in a way that it shrinks less and it sets, leading to less remedial interventions. Reduction in cost and a floor that is more stable and less likely to crack. Agilia Screed has other advantages too. It can be used in new builds with underfloor heating. Additionally, it offers reduced construction time, less labour costs and foot traffic within 24 to 48 hours. It is suitable for all sizes of projects. It does not need extra reinforcement because it compacts so easily and is perfect for use on block and beam. Notably, the lack of vibration needed to compact the screed means reduced issues with noise. Some of the key benefits and applications of Agilia include domestic and commercial applications. Aesthetics, it's useful to provide a decorative concrete finish for floors and other architectural features. Reinforcement can be used with a variety of heavy reinforcement, including congested reinforcement steels. It's versatile. Agilia Screed can be used to directly lay slabs in a variety of settings and useful in both domestic and light industrial floors. It gives you savings. Labour times and costs are reduced because of the ease of application and less need for remedial work. It's high quality, a consistently high quality surface. Its creativity and design can be provided in different colours. Its compressive strength can range from C20 to C50. The slump flow classes from SF1 to 3 conforms to minimum cement requirements and conforms to minimum cement and water ratios. I hope this helps you with your Agilia Screed questions. If you would like any further help, please get in touch.